everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nashley, and today's video is going to be part 2 of my guest bathroom makeover. We are tackling the guest bathroom cabinets. The cabinets in that bathroom are your standard builder grade Formica cabinets. They're not real wood by any means. They are dark brown, almost black, and they are in serious need of some TLC. My goal is to take these dark cabinets and turn them into a light colored cabinet and just make the space feel a little bit more open and wide. So I invested in a spray gun and I used it to paint my bathroom cabinets, and I think they turned out gorgeous. So without rambling anymore, let's get into it. These are the cabinets we're starting with. Like I said, they're very dark brown, almost black. They're in fairly good shape, but I think painting them a lighter color is going to make the space feel a little bit more open and welcoming. This is a pain to remove. It's taped on with a very strong tape. All I did was use a butter knife to pry it off, and it worked just fine. Now all I'm doing is removing hardware and knobs and just kind of preparing the cabinets. I am also using garbage bags as like my plastic to cover the spots that I don't want to paint, and it was just a hassle, so I probably would recommend getting like the actual plastic that you would use to cover your floors and furniture when you're painting. They sell them on Amazon. I'll link them down below. But this is what I had on hand, and it worked fine, but it took me longer. So now I'm sanding, and then I'm wiping down with a damp cloth. And here I'm removing the hardware, like I said, removing knobs as well. I will be lightly sanding and then going in with a damp cloth just to make sure I get all the dust off. This is the spray gun I bought. It's very nice. The Ziploc bag I do not recommend because it actually kept being suctioned in by the little straw. So I just poured the paint directly into the plastic container and began priming. I take one swipe at each go and try to go in a straight line, and that's basically it. This is the primer. I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna go in with the paint. This is the Vasberg cabinet and furniture paint, and I got it tinted to the shade Agreeable Gray. It's absolutely stunning, and it's not too white, but it's not too beigey or grayish. It's just the perfect shade for this bathroom. And so I went in. The spray gun is really nice. It has very good coverage in one go. Of course, I will be doing 2 coats on the base cabinets themselves, and then on the drawers I will be doing 3 total coats with a light sanding in between, and there is no sealer needed with this paint, which is one of the reasons why I chose it. And so here we are with the first coat. Now I'm lightly sanding it, like I said, and then I'll paint it again, and I'll just repeat that process until the cabinets are all painted. You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. This is how I know I'm getting old, okay? I was so excited when I got this toilet paper holder, okay? Toilet paper holder got me so excited. This is from Amazon. I'm linking it down below for you to find, but I absolutely loved it, and it just looks so good. And now I am installing all of the cabinet doors back onto the base cabinet so that we can, get this thing going. I'm adding a few last touches. I let it dry for 24 hours prior to mounting them on, and I'm adding the hardware, which I love these knobs as well. They're brass. They're also from Amazon. They'll be linked down below. They're just gorgeous. They match the toilet paper holder and some of the other hardware in here. Of course, I need my helpers around me because they always love to be helping mommy. I love that. Now I'm adding some bumpers to protect the cabinets themselves. And of course, look what we have here. She's so cute. I am beyond excited about these cabinets. I think they turned out amazing. Not only are they light and bright, but they're smooth to the touch. They're perfect. So let me reveal them to you in 3, 2, 1. I hope this inspired you to make some of your bathroom or kitchen cabinets or whatever cabinets into something just a little bit more bright. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more content like this. Give it a thumbs up if you learned something new. And of course, hit that bell notification so that you are the first to be notified when I post a new video. While I'm at it, why don't you go ahead and follow me on Instagram? I try to stay active there on my stories, and I post more of my daily life on Instagram. So give me a follow, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.